Today at the Hastings Prince Edward Mutual Aid Training Complex, we had our pre-service firefighter students actually involved in the live fire training program. So we've taken them through the introductions of fire growth, fire development. We've taught them some basic fire attack skills. And today was the day where it kind of was a culminating activity where those skills of hose advancements, hose movements came together with that fire growth and development and turned into actual live fire attacks. Over the past couple semesters, the students have practiced a lot with moving fire hose. So fire hose, once it's loaded with water, can get quite heavy and quite complex to move and intricate to try to get around things. So we've worked on those different skills, getting the students to move that hose, as well as recognizing the fire, the stage that the fire is in, the fire attacks that would benefit the situation, and applying those appropriately. We want to make sure that when our students go out for interviews and they're looking at on-the-job tasks and showing those tasks to other fire departments, really is what we're looking for, is we want them to stand out. We want them to look comfortable and confident and know what they're doing so that those fire departments are getting well-educated and well-rounded firefighters. What the benefit is to us using the Hastings Prince Edward Training Complex is that we have access to the training grounds as well as a classroom the whole time that we're here. What we will do is sometimes during our theory section is we'll go individuals, not as a full evolution, but we'll break down some of those skills into smaller sections so that we can practice them and the smaller components of it without getting into our full-on class involvement. Then once we get into our practical side, then we'll involve our extra instructors and we'll involve the more complex movements and bring everything together. If you're looking to become a full-time firefighter, career firefighter, volunteer firefighter, if you're interested in firefighting at all, and this program kind of sparks your interest, we're taking applications, so get your applications in and hopefully we'll see you in January.